Right, everybody, bringing you back another quick little knife review. Today we have the CIVIVI Hadros. Like I said, might not be saying that right. This one is a brown one, and so yeah, let's get into this. Today I'm using the O knife. Nice little quick pocket little carry there. But yeah, like I said, this one has a nice blade on it. Of course, the CIVIVI pouch, everything comes in. Stickers, knife, all that good stuff. So let's see here. Like I said, this one's the brown Mercado handle. Pretty lightweight. Does have the pocket clip that is reversible. This is pretty shallow, but it's still probably a deep carry classified. But yeah, overall, lightweight. Just got the thumb stud on it. But what I really like about this is the blade shape, that sheep foot. It's got a pretty long blade on it too, for the size of knife. Pretty lengthy blade. But yeah, overall, nice thin handle back here. Some nice jibbing up there. But yeah, let's get some quick little links here. So the blade on this one, roughly, coming in almost, probably about 3 1/4 on the cutting side of it. Full length, roughly 7 1/2. Closed length, roughly 4 inches, 4 1/4. So, and like I said, the weight on this, it's pretty light. But yeah, overall, I like how this knife drops down. They built it into the handle. It's just one smooth transition there. 73 grams, yeah. It's definitely a lightweight knife. You know, you can see this is with the, it's not a D2 steel. It's the actual 10CR 15 COMOV blade. So it is a upgraded steel. Retains the edge a lot better. A little bit harder to sharpen, but it will retain the edge quite a bit better. CIVIVI sharp right out of the box. It is definitely sharp. It's got your little logo right there. But yeah, the lightness of the knife, the blade length, like I said, the blade style is definitely a slicey, dicey knife. But yeah, overall, great looking knife. Blade is perfectly centered. Every CIVIVI I get's always been perfectly centered. See the ceramic ball bearings in there. Smooth Mercado handle there. But yeah, overall great little knife. Smooth action. But yeah, like I said, I might be saying that wrong, but that is the CIVIVI Hadros. Like I said, definitely a nice one. Roughly around $50, $50, $60 probably. But yeah, overall feels great in the hand. Like I said, super lightweight. Nice long blade. Definitely one to check out. So appreciate it. Y'all got any questions or comments, please leave them below.